Hello guys, in this video we will see how to play Roblox on a Chromebook 5. Install controls, light fix tips, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Google Play Store and install Roblox content for Chromebooks in HUD. The primary method to play Roblox is via its Android application. First, ensure the Google Play Store is enabled on your device. Navigate to your Chromebook settings. Search for Google Play Store and turn it on if it's not already. Once enabled, open the Play Store app, search for Roblox, and select the official app developed by Roblox Corporation. Tap Install to download and automatically install the application. Ensure you have sufficient storage space and a stable internet connection for a smooth installation process. Step 2. Launch Roblox and account setup content after successful installation. Locate the Roblox icon in your Chromebook's app launcher and click to open it. Upon launching for the first time, you will be prompted to either sign up for a new Roblox account or log in if you already have one. If creating a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your birth date. Create a unique username and a strong password. If logging in, simply enter your existing credentials. Parental controls can be set up through the Roblox website or within account settings. Post login to manage user experience.
Step 2. Understand and optimize game controls. Content playing Roblox on a Chromebook typically utilizes keyboard and trackpad. Mouse controls. Movement is generally mapped to the WASD keys with the spacebar for jumping. The camera view is controlled by dragging the trackpad or moving an external mouse while holding down the right-click button, or sometimes directly by mouse movement. For an optimal experience, connecting an external mouse or Bluetooth mouse is highly recommended as it provides greater precision and comfort compared to the built-in trackpad, especially for games requiring quick camera movements or precise aiming.
Step 3. Implement performance and light fix tips content to minimize lag and improve game performance on a Chromebook. Several optimizations are crucial. Begin by closing all unnecessary background applications and browser tabs to free up RAM and resources within Roblox. Access the in-game settings and lower the graphics quality slider to a minimum or automatic setting. Ensure your Chromebook's operating system, Chromos, and the Roblox app itself are updated to their latest versions for bug fixes and performance enhancements. Maintaining a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection is also vital, as poor network conditions significantly impact online game performance.
Step 3. Advanced troubleshooting and system checks content. If you continue to experience significant lag or issues, first try clearing the Roblox app's cache and data through the Chromebook's app settings. Apps. Manage your app's Roblox storage cache. If that doesn't resolve the problem, consider reinstalling the Roblox app. Verify your Chromebook specifications meet the minimum requirements for Roblox. While most modern Chromebooks in HUD should be sufficient, older or lower-end models may struggle as a last resort. Performing a power wash factory reset on your Chromebook can sometimes resolve underlying software conflicts, but remember to back up your data first.